What is up, YouTube? Niner Faithful 52 here, back with another sneaker unboxing review. As you can see by the title, this is the Jordan 1 patent leather Bred Air Jordan 1 High. I can't believe I hit on this, but I hit on it on the sneaker app. I couldn't believe it when I got the notification, and then here it is. You got the patent leather box. Got the glossy Jordan 1 box. Get the box out of the way for one. So here it is. It's shiny everywhere. Yeah, let's see. So here's the tag here. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black varsity red white, size 10. Now it's your typical Jordan 1 box, except since it's the patent leather version, the Breds, or the bands, whatever you want to call them. It's a glossy finish, so that's a nice touch. Here we go. Oh boy, I couldn't believe I hit on these two. Oh Lord, look at this. Now I got this on the sneakers app. Sheesh. So obviously it comes with red laces, an extra set of laces. No, I don't have the original Breds, but I have these, so I guess these will do. So for one, classic colorway, right? So you got your black and red, all patent leather. So you got the red heel tab here, got the black Air Jordan Wings logo there, got the red Nike swoosh, got the black all the way here, all along the toe until you hit the red toe box here. Hopefully these don't crease too bad. And then same on this side, you got the white midsole with the red bottom, just iconic. And then you got the black tongue with the red Nike Air here, comes with black laces already on them. You got your shoe tree here. On the inside, this is the left shoe. To your right, it says family. The Vin Diesel memes, I've seen the Vin Diesel memes with the family and the but here we are. Here's the black laces here. You got the black footbed here with the red Nike Air and your size, and then your production tagging to the right. Here we go. Oops. Here we go. There you are. So yeah, I mean, damn. All right, let me take a look at the other shoe real quick. Like I said before, I couldn't believe I hit on these. I wouldn't even imagine. It was in my first sneaker W, obviously, but it's been a long time since I've won. And here are the red laces. So this is the left shoe. The right shoe, it comes with the, yeah, here we go. Here it comes with the red Jumpman tag, which is super dope. Obviously, I'm not going to have it on my shoe, but something to just, you know, have. I mean, some people wear the shoes, some people just collect the shoes, but me personally, I mean, I do both. But this shoe, I mean, I'm probably hold off on these for a bit, just because, I mean, look at them. They're so beautiful, man. I'm honestly, look at them. It's kind of hard not to wear them, but at the same time, you know, it's such a, like a masterpiece, you know. It's a classic colorway for one, and this patent leather just stands out so much. And this nice little Jumpman tag here, obviously in red metallic here, is just so dope, man. Honestly, I'm gonna hold off on these for sure. But yeah, this is the right shoe. This time it has to see on the left here. It says family on the left side, and then that's pretty much it. So everything else is the same. But yeah, man, like I said, this shoe, I'm gonna hold off on these. I'm wearing these for a while. But I got lucky. I hit on the sneakers app. I would have to hold off on these for a specific, you know, event or anything like that. Go on a date or something, you know what I mean? So I wear these, but man, They're so pretty, man. Look at that. Look at that. Man. But yeah, that's it. That's my little quick unboxing review of the Jordan 1 highs. OG, the Bred, the patent leather ones. That came out, when did they come out? They came out like in late December or early January, I believe. I forgot the exact date. But I hit on them on Sneakers app. I don't know when I'm uploading this video. Probably mid to late January, if anything. But that's been my little quick unboxing review of the Jordan 1 High patent leather Breds. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.